Okay, this is a little how-to, I guess. I'm fixing one of these that you can buy at, I guess, Princess Auto up in Canada or Harbor Freight down here. And when you buy this, it comes like this. I've actually combined my old one with the new one that I bought. You'll notice the holes right here and here. When you screw this into this and you give it air, you lose a lot of your pressure out of these holes because this has got a very small hole in the end. I'm hoping that's staying nice and clear. Okay, so what I did was really simple. I welded the holes shut. Took this out because it just unscrews. You got a small hole here. You can actually drill that out bigger if you want and get a lot more air. But in all actuality, it does pretty good just by itself. Doing this and welding these two holes shut. This is the prettier one, but this is bigger. I don't have a coupler in this one, so I can't really test it. But I will give you a quick example. You see that? And my air tank is just about depleted. So, that's my tip for the day. You go off and buy one of these at Harbor Freight or Princess Auto, or I don't know what it would be in the UK. Mano could tell me. Rusty Love. But you could even see this tip is so small. Such a small hole there. If you opened up the hole in this, same size as the hole in that, you get more airflow. So, buy one of these, just weld the holes shut, screw it back in, screw this in, tighten it all down, maybe drill that hole out in the center, and you're said and done, and you got way more air pressure. Alright, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a dozen, and hey, be good to one another. You only got one life to live. Make it count. Bye.